Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of exercise 7.3. Question number 7. First part. Okay. Let y is equal to e की power x plus e की power x square plus e की power x cube plus e की power x की power 4 plus e की power x की power 5. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Find the value of dy by dx. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to dy dx over e की power x plus dy dx over e की power x square into dy dx over x square. Okay. First differentiate e to power x square into second differentiate e to power x square plus first differentiate e की power x cube and second x की power 3. Two types dy dx over e की power x cube into dy dx over x cube plus dy dx over e to power x की power 4 into dy dx over x to power 4 plus dy dx over e to power x to power 5 into dy dx over x to power 5. Okay. First differentiate e to power x square into second x square. First e to power x cube into second x cube, e to power x power 4 into x की power 4, e to power x power 5 into x की power 5. Apply the formula e की power x, e की power x, e की power x, e की power x into x square x cube x power 4 x to power 5. Apply the formula x to power n. Okay. Implies dy by dx is equal to apply the formula d by dx over e की power x is equal to e की power x. Okay. d by dx over e की power x is equal to e की power x. Standard formula e की power x plus apply the formula e की power x square is equal to x. Let. Okay. So e की power x is equal to e की power x. It means e की power x square into dy dx over x square. Okay. Differentiate of dy dx over x square is equal to 2x plus dy dx over e की power x cube. Let x cube is equal to x. It means e की power x is equal to e की power x is equal to x cube into dy dx over x cube. Apply the formula x to power n is equal to nx n minus 1. It means 3x square plus same to same dy dx over e की power x to power 4 into x to power 4 is equal to 4x cube plus similarly e की power x to power 5 into 5 into x to power 4. Okay. Implies dy by dx is equal to e की power x plus 2x into e की power x square plus 3x square into e की power x cube plus 4x cube into e की power x to power 4 plus 5x to power 4 into e to power x की power 5. Okay. That is answer. Next question. Question number 8. Second part B. let y is equal to root x power root x infinite. Okay, y is equal to root x power root x power root x power root x infinite. So y is equal to root x power root x power root x power root x and so on infinite. It means y is equal to root x power of y. Okay, because y equal to root x power root x power root x power root x infinite, it means power root x power root x power root x is equal to y late. Okay, it means y is equal to root x power of y. Okay, implies y is equal to x to power y by 2. Okay, y by 2 root x की power 1 by 2 power y, it means x to power y by 2. Taking logarithm on both sides. Okay, log y is equal to implies log y is equal to log over y x to power y by 2. Implies log y is equal to y upon 2 into log x. Okay, log x to power y upon 2, it means log y is equal to log m to power n. Apply the formula log m to power n is equal to n log m. Okay, cross multiply 2 log y is equal to y into log x. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get implies 2 into dy dx over log y. Okay, is equal to first into second. First function same to same into dy dx over log x plus second function same to same dy dx over y. 2 into dy by dx over log y is equal to y into dy dx over log x plus log x into dy dx over y is equal to 2 into dy dx over log y. First differentiate log and second differentiate y. Log x is equal to 1 upon x. It means 1 upon y into differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx. Okay, is equal to y same to same. dy dx over log x is equal to 1 upon x plus log x same to same. dy dx over y is equal to dy upon dx. Implies 2 upon y dy by dx minus log x into dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Okay, dy by dx common, dy by dx common, 2 upon y minus log x is equal to y upon x. Implies log x upon 1 dy by dx y LCM 2 minus y log x is equal to y upon x. Okay, find the value of dy by dx is equal to y upon x into y upon 2 minus y log x implies dy by dx is equal to y into y square upon x into 2 minus y log x. Okay, that is answer. Next question. Question number 9, part first. Y into, given that y into root 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse x. Find the value of dy by dx. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. We get first into second implies first function same to same y into dy dx over root 1 minus x square into dy dx over 1 minus x square. First differentiate root into second differentiate 1 minus x square is equal to dy dx over sine inverse x. Okay, first into second, first into dy dx over root 1 minus x square into dy dx over 1 minus x square, two types derivative is equal to, plus root 1 minus x square same to same into dy dx over y is equal to dy dx over sine inverse x. First function same to same dy dx over root 1 minus x square into dy dx over 1 minus x square plus second function same to same into dy dx over y is equal to dy dx over sine inverse x. Okay, is equal to y into let 1 minus x square is equal to x. It means root x. dy dx over root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. X is equal to 1 minus x square into dy dx over 1 constant number. dy dx over constant number is equal to 0. It means 0 minus dy dx over x square 2x plus root 1 minus x square same to same dy by dx is equal to dy dx over sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x square of root. Okay, implies 0 minus 2x it means minus 2 cancel out minus xy upon root 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Find the value of dy by dx. It means dy by dx into root 1 minus x square is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus plus xy upon root 1 minus x square. Okay. root 1 minus x square LCM 1 plus xy implies dy by dx over root 1 minus x square. Okay, left side same to same is equal to 1 minus x square of roots LCM, numerator 1 plus xy. Okay, find the value of dy by dx. implies implies dy by dx is equal to 1 plus xy upon root 1 minus x square into 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay, root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square, root cancel out, implies last result dy by dx is equal to 1 plus xy upon में 1 minus x square. Okay, that is the answer. Question at 9 complete. And next question, exercise 7.3, last question of 10, first part, last question of exercise 7.3. let y is equal to sin x plus sin x plus sin x plus and so on infinite root y is equal to root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x infinite. Okay, so y is equal to sin x plus y root. Okay, because y equal to root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x plus infinite times. Okay, so y equal to sin x plus root sin x is equal to y. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, implies y square is equal to sin x plus y. Y square is equal to square and root cancel out, sin x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy dx over y square is equal to dy dx over sin x plus dy dx over y implies dy dx over y square. First differentiate square and second differentiate y 2 times. dy dx over y square is equal to 2y into dy dx over y is equal to dy by dx. Okay, again dy dx over y square, first differentiate of y square and second differentiate only y. 2y into dy by dx is equal to dy dx over sin x is equal to cos x plus dy dx over y is equal to dy by dx. Okay, implies 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to cos x, implies dy by dx common, 2y minus 1 is equal to cos x. Okay, implies find the value of dy by dx is equal to cos x upon 2y minus 1. That is the answer. Okay, and we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.